What's up, guys? AF and TD back together again. It's been what, 2 years?
Yeah, 2 years.
2 years, but we're excited. So right now we're hoping to do a Flathead trip. We're headed to Apache Lake. Got a little bit of a drive ahead of us, but we'll see some good scenery. But anyways, headed to Apache Lake, and let's go do it. It hurts.
NF?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a tumor with a stick on it. Alright, we're at our spot. Time to offload and get over. Alright, well, we're gonna go super far.
Right there.
Probably a couple hour paddle. But yeah, just about all set to go. Hopefully this thing still floats. Kind of worried about that. But let's do it.
Yep.
Let's go.
Get on our way.
Not the most comfortable situation, but we're off. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? That was rough, I'm not gonna lie.
Already in shade. Not gonna see much sun today.
Heave!
A little heavier than yours.
Got a little rooster tail on and gonna try for some bass, or I guess whatever hits. Oh, came off. Looked like a largemouth though. That was a good jump. 8 out of 8. Never mind, it's a bass. It's just fighting real good. Yep. It's a walleye. You got him hooked real good. We got dinner.
We got dinner.
Go ahead and get a fire going. Should keep us nice and warm tonight. Shouldn't be too cold, but it'd be nice just to have a warm fire. Trevor's going to get bait right now. Kind of short on bait today, but we'll see what happens. Hope he catches a couple. Now we'll just kind of wait for him to get back. All right, so Trevor comes in clutch. He's got the bait. That'll work. Nice job, dude.
Trying.
All right, get some blue gills here. Nice little feller. Gotta run. Gotta run. Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with AF, back by popular demand. And today we're making the classic nachos. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put an e-card right up here. But turn up the cheese, we got some Alpato sauce. Cooking up the cheese now. Meat's cooking up nicely.
Cheese going slowly.
Cheese going, should be long. Alright, so we'll let that bubble up a little bit. Now the key to good salsa is Alpato. It is a great salsa. It's the only salsa to be had with nachos. Get the chips ready. Best way to go is Tostitos scoops. Actually, pretty much the only way to go. And it looks like meat's pretty good. All right, load up. Key is to load up every little scoop. No nacho left behind. Same process applies here. No nacho left behind. And then you're gonna get your El Pato and pour it all around. Let's see. Oh my god, so good. What do you say? Not too shabby? Yeah, buddy. And that's been cooking with AF. Let's cut some flatheads.
Yep.
All right, looks like I got a fish on. Let's see what happens here.
On cut bait.
On cut bait.
For the win.
Yep. He's got some fight in him. Yeah,
Head shakes.
it's a catfish.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, it's right here too.
Yeah.
Oh, come here. Jeez.
It's gotta be a channel. There's way too much movement. Yeah. Decent sized channel.
That's a decent
At least
size.
6.
Damn.
Probably 8.
Look at that, bro. Look at that channel, bro.
Jeez.
Jeez.
I can't fit my hands around his head. That's gotta be at least 6, probably 7. Maybe 8.
I don't know, man. That's probably 8.
Yeah. Probably 7.
That's a
7, 8.
good sized channel right there, man. Really? Is that how you feel?
Want me to wait on him?
Yeah, let's get a weight on her. Damn, 8-pounder, bro. Sweet. Good job, man. Heck yeah. You got a fish. How about that? There's a weight.
Yeah, he's fat.
10 pounds, 6 ounces with
A few ounces of rocks on him, so I cut in half.
Alright, well, it's morning time, and gotta throw a little rooster tail, see if I can catch a couple bass. Trevor's snagged, per usual, and I'm using the Dock Demon with a big old rooster tail. See what happens. Kind of a largemouth. Didn't get him on film, but I'm gonna release him. And off he goes. All right, so we're mostly packed up. Pretty good trip. I got 2 channels right here. Me and Trevor caught those largemouth. Overall, not too bad of a trip. Wish we could have caught some flatheads, but at least we caught something. So I'm pretty happy about that. But yeah, load it up, and now it's time to release the krakens. All right, time to release the beast.
I'm actually gonna get Snapchat going. Going for it.
Yeah. All right.
Last fish to be released.
All right, bud. You're ready to go.
Do it.
Sweet. Good trip.
Decent first trip here.
Not too bad. It's a good time.
Yep.
Good time. Pretty good trip. Hopefully we'll be back here Probably next year we'll do another trip here. But thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will see you on the next episode. Later.